Consultforsales.com. Take your business to a new level. Consultforsales.com.
Are you a sales manager working in industrial selling or institutional selling or key account management? And as a salesman and manager, how many times have you heard this? That Sanjay, you are great, your product is great, your company is wonderful, but यार मेरा काम सेट है, मेरा existing vendor सेट है, उसकी सप्लाई की क्वालिटी सेट है, मेरे मशीन को वो समझता है, मैं उसको समझता हूँ और बड़े मुश्किल से we have arrived at this point. Now I don't want to change this vendor just because you are trying to give me some small benefits. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh. I'm your sales coach. I'm sure as a sales manager in institutional selling, industrial selling or key account management, you must have heard this question so many times. And when I meet sales managers like you, they normally tell me that, Sanjay, what should I do? After all, what the customer is saying is right. Well, everyone is right in this world, friend. Let's quickly understand why the customer is saying like this and what should we do as a salesperson to handle this objection. You have to understand that there is always a cost of associating with a new vendor and there is a cost of disassociating with an old vendor. Because an old vendor has done trials and tribulation of the supply that he is making, he has set the quality and this entire ecosystem is set. So the supplier is set, the vendor is set, the supervisor in the factory is set, what kind of dosing, what kind of mixing, what kind of product concoction is going to be used in the factory, everything is set, right? Now when the customer has to associate with you, he has to go through that whole process again. And in the process of going through that whole process again, he has the risk that maybe you fail. And when you fail, his management is not going to take it lightly. Because remember, in institutional selling, the customer or the consumer is actually not the customer. The customer is the owner of the company that you're trying to supply your goods to, but the production manager or the finance manager or the purchase manager you're trying to talk to, he's the consumer of your product. Now, the consumer will never take a decision in your favor if he runs the risk of losing his own job. You understand the psychology now? Now let's quickly understand how to handle this scenario. Now the question here is that there is a cost of disassociation and there is a cost of association. Do you know very clearly what is the cost of disassociation? And do you know very clearly what is the cost of this new association? Because generally we go and tell to the customer that, hey, my product is good, my quality is good, I'll reduce your wastage, I'll increase your throughput, I'll increase your production, and so on and so forth. But when the customer asks that how much production will you increase and how much financial benefit I'm going to get out of it, generally you are not clear about it. Let's assume that you are one of those smart salesperson who is very clear about this calculation. Well, if you are very clear about these calculations, what is the total cost of associating with you as a new vendor? Are you clear about it? And then what is the total cost of disassociating with the old vendor? Because if these two sums, once they subtract one from the other, if it is not positive for the customer, why should he even think about it? Isn't it important? So next time when you are standing in a situation like this, ask yourself, what is the total cost of association with you and what is the total cost of disassociating with the earlier vendor? When you subtract these two, you are able to present a strong, cogent proposal to your customer. I'm sure you will get a listening ear from the customer's end. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh. I'm your sales coach. If you like my video, go down and click on the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon because I promise to bring one new video on sales every day for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm on a mission to empower 1 million salespersons with the science of selling before 2025. Till I upload my next video tomorrow, bye-bye.
Take your business to a new level. consultforsales.com.